In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete rows in Excel. Start by opening your Excel spreadsheet so you can see the data you want to work with. Once your sheet is open, look to the far left side of the window. This is where Excel shows the row numbers. These numbers are what you will use to select entire rows for deletion. Move your cursor over to those row numbers. Then click the first row number you want to delete. When you click the row number itself, Excel highlights the full row from left to right. This is important because it tells Excel that you want to remove the entire row, not just the contents of a single cell. If you need to delete more than one row that is not directly next to the first one, hold down the Control key on your keyboard. While keeping Control pressed, click the other row numbers you want to remove. Each row you click will be added to your selection. This allows you to choose multiple separate rows at the same time, which can save a lot of time when cleaning up a spreadsheet. As you make your selections, pay attention to the highlighted rows so you can confirm that you have chosen the correct ones. This is a helpful habit, especially when working with larger sheets that contain a lot of information. Once you have selected all the rows you want to delete, release the Control key. At this point, the rows should still remain highlighted. Now right-click on any one of the highlighted row numbers. A menu will appear with several options related to the selected rows. From that menu, click Delete. Excel will immediately remove those selected rows from the sheet. The remaining rows will shift up automatically to fill the space, which helps keep your spreadsheet organized. If you are editing an important file, it is always a good idea to quickly review the sheet after deleting rows to make sure everything looks correct. That can help you catch any accidental selections before moving on. This method is simple and effective when you want to delete specific rows in just a few clicks. It is especially useful when the rows you want to remove are spread out in different parts of the spreadsheet. That covers everything you need to know.